Hi, this is an amazing hummus that you can make vegan and gluten-free. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel and give me a like. You can use any blender. We're going to have now 2 cups of chickpeas, garbanzos, then we have half a cup of water, plain water, the juice of 1 lemon, and garlic. I really like garlic. You can try 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, and then salt, 1 or 2 teaspoons of salt, and half a cup of tahini. This is made by grinding sesame seed into a smooth paste. It's just absolutely key ingredients in this recipe. We are ready now to blend until we have a super smooth and creamy paste. We are ready now. You can transfer it into a glass container and keep it in the fridge for 1 or 2 weeks. This is some ideas on how you can eat this amazing paste of hummus.